This will be our first video for my channel. I'm gonna do a little trade recap from Wednesday. It's Thursday right now, but I just made the channel today, so don't really care. I couldn't get a trade in today, so I was sick, and yeah, I wanted to, but I couldn't. I did some back testing though, but you know. So Wednesday right here, daily bias was, I think it was in a downtrend right here. Broke structure to the upside here, but couldn't break structure here, down, and I saw that, so I knew it was gonna be in a downtrend. I don't know what happened on Friday. Don't even look at that. But Wednesday here, boom, down. Wait, fuck. Sorry, we're doing Wednesday, not Monday. Wednesday. See downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Boom. Here, today was a retracement night. It was like, I don't know, start like somewhere over here. I just knew it was a retracement on the daily. On the weekly, it hasn't broke structure to the downside, so it's still an uptrend. But when it gets past this, it will. But talk about that later. But yeah, so Wednesday was like the daily bias was bullish, bearish on the weekly, and then on the 4 hour, um, this is Wednesday. Yep. When did Wednesday start? It broke structure, it swept this liquidity right here. Right, see, it swept, boom. Went broken structure to the upside, and was an uptrend for the day. Just like, um, just a retracement, but I kind of, like, really had no other choice but to trade it. Trade it. 1 hour, sorry, I'm kind of sick right now, so my voice might be horrible. So, um, here's the hour chart. Um, so, by the way, I did lose the trade. I sold, I thought it was going to be a, I'll show you what happened, and I'll show you after I show you what happened. I'll show you what I could have done better, like what I could have like yeah done better and like done instead of this trade. But as you see, look, I didn't see this. I was looking like sleepy as fuck. I didn't wake up that good. But downtrend, boom, 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 downtrend, woo, woo, woo. Oh, breaking structure to the upside. Boom, retracement, retracement down and back. Broke structure, boom, to the downside right here. See, boom, liquidity sweep, breaking structure, boom, down. Goes up, down, blah 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 blah, downtrend, and then it breaks in structure to the upside here, and boom. See, but so yeah, I didn't really see this. What I saw was just not this. I saw everything going down. Loki didn't look at this part right here. Just saw this part going down, and I did not look at this breaking structure liquidity sweep at the time. Now I know what I did wrong, so it's fine. So let's go to the 15-minute. We'll just go into the trade. So where's it? Where did I enter the market? Into 9. All right, this is alright. Loki entered the market 30 minutes too early on accident, or 15 minutes too early on accident. Loki didn't even mean to, but it's fine. Loki. I mean, that's the reason why I lost this trade. But see, look, I saw it on the 15-minute break structure to the downside, right here, boom. And all these markings right here was me just like marking out places I could have been able to like, pop in a little sell, a little short action here. But let me just close these. I wasn't even in the market. I was just looking at the market to see what like was up with it. Uh, keep this one. But yeah, I entered here. I'll show you. I entered on like the 5-minute chart, like the 1 minute. Weird ass movement right here. I don't know what's up with this. It's like a dip. But what the fuck? All right, look, 15-minute fair value gap right here, and it goes out, down, and it goes hits inside of it. So I thought it was a fair value gap entry back to the downside because I knew the daily and the weekly were in downtrends, but the daily was where the fuck is this chart? Like so dead ass right now. Hello? Oh, see daily downtrend. It was on a retracement up, so I should have looked for longs for the retracement upward. Okay. But and then the weekly is in a downtrend. But yeah. So let's go to the 5-minute again. Don't worry about that. Hold up. So yeah, look, he entered on that, and also would have been let me go in the 1 minute real quick. Look at this, bro. Look, so I entered, said like, look, 15-minute fair value gap. Like I didn't even hit in there. Was it doing equilibrium? Like what the fuck was I doing? I don't know what. I just saw it go into this 15-minute fair value gap because it was a liquidity sweep. Wait, liquidity sweep. What am I doing, bro? This was the retracement up, down, retracement up. I don't know what this trade was. I'm gonna be honest, horrible trade. If I would have just waited, like, because this is when market actually opened. All right, I'm gonna be honest. The reason why I took this trade was because I was I was trading late London session on accident. God damn it! I forgot that the market opened at 9:30, and I thought it opened at 9, so I entered in at 9. And oh my god, I know what I did wrong. It was a bad trade, and I looked at it wrong. And here's what I could have done right. So let's go to the 1 hour to just show you what I could have done. So as you can see, on the 1 hour, liquidity sweep right here. Boom, boom, two right here. Boom. Liquidity sweep, breaking structure to the upside. Boom, right here. After that, a fair value gap was made right here. Boom. Enters into the fair value gap. Let's get in a fair value gap entry. Hold up. Equilibrium. Damn. 15 minutes. So I could have entered off of this. Equilibrium. Went into the discount zone right here. Boom. Went through this fair value gap. And then as you can see right here, look, it did not break in structure. So I could have just waited. I know it's in the discount zone. I know it filled this a couple fair value gaps. I know it did this. I just waited till it breaks the structure to the upside. Boom. Closed up here. Break in structure. Boom. Long that bitch. And then target previous areas of liquidity. Here. And here. Hit. Take profit. And then you would have just done this probably like, I don't know. You would have, I don't know. Negative. Like, bro. You're kind of fucked. Like, if you mess up on your stop loss, I would have probably just done this breaking structure right here. 1.69 chance, pretty good. And that's what I could have done better there. See, uptrend, 15-minute breaking structure. And if we go down even more to the 5-minute, I bet we could have got a better breaking structure there. Liquidity did not sweep, boom. Couldn't break in structure to the downside. Goes up, boom, boom. That's a breaking structure right there for this. See, order cock. Speaking of order cock, look. Oh, never mind. But yeah, it's kind of what I saw, like really at all. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and here's an entry point here. This fair value gap here. And liquidity swept breaking structure to the upside. Right here. Liquidity sweep right here. And then yeah, I probably could have done that. Came into this fair value gap entry to the upside. So yeah. I don't know. This is before market open, so this is during market. We would have saw this, so we would have entered 9:40. Yeah, 10 minutes before after market opened. And I got a nice juicy trade. But yep, that is today's trading recap. I'm just gonna delete all this because I really do not need it after this video. It shows everything. Guess I'll just keep this, but yep. And then this, I didn't actually trade today. This was just kind of back testing what I could have done. Some confluences. What's this? The fuck? Oh, this is my Monday trade. Yeah, I don't really remember my Monday trade, but I know I won that one. Yeah, see you Monday. Damn, that was actually a really good trade. TJR took this trade. But yeah, that's my trading recaps. See you guys. Or just me, probably. But yeah.